Hello friends, in this short and very basic video, we will learn how to delete WhatsApp on Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on Start, then search Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Now here select View by as category. Then click on Uninstall a program. In this list guys you will see programs, find out WhatsApp. If you're not able to see WhatsApp here, for any reason, restart your system. Another way, click on Start, type here Add or Remove. Now here you have to find out WhatsApp. Click on this three dot uninstall. Again click on uninstall. Now close and restart your system. So thanks for watching this level. You can uninstall and delete WhatsApp from your system.